explain. We gotta make a rainbow cake. We already washed our hands, and we have the ingredients right here. 1 cake mix. Put it inside. Yeah. And 3 eggs whites. Put it in, Dad. Put it in. Put it in, Dad. Put it in. Put it in. Oh, eggs. 3/4 of water. Be careful, Zana. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. Yeah, I'll help. Whoa. And 1/4 of vegetable oil. And now we gotta mix it. I thought a lot.
All right. So now we're gonna use green for the baby. No, you don't eat that. You don't eat it yet. What you guys doing?
Whoa.
Keep going, keep going.
We need to cook it.
We are gonna cook it. We have to put the oven at 350, right? 350 degrees.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Now we just need to. Now the cake is done. Now we just need to put it in the oven for 350. We need a grown up to do it. In the oven and then I'll go. It's not that oven too. One half sits. Because the oven is very, very, very hot. Can I have it? Bye. The cake will be done soon.
My kids work of art.
Oh.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh.
Keep going. I want to see more color. I don't see blue.
Hello.
You want the yellow?
The,
The baby wants to use the yellow now. How's the cake?
good.
Let me see. Take a bite, Xavier. Xavier, how's the cake? Oh, wow.